Hello my little fairies, welcome back to another reaction video. So today we're going to be revisiting 1974's The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I mean, what more can I say? This movie is so iconic in the horror genre. It is demented, twisted, sick, all of the above. Out of all the horror icons, I truly feel like Leatherface has to be the most underrated because he's not really shown on the forefront. Whereas, you know, we see a lot of Michael Myers, Jason, Freddy, Ghostface, Chucky, you know, Pennywise, all those other horror icons, which I love. I'm excited to revisit this movie because, one, I want to get scared, and two, I haven't seen the sequels. I have not seen the sequels. Big shocker. Big shocker. I have seen the remakes. Anyways, without wasting precious time, let's get into 1974's The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
The film which you are about to see is an account
18 seconds in and they want to hit you with this.
In particular, Sally Hardesty see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare.
A nightmare indeed.
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Ooh, I got chills. Oh my god. Oh, that is so disgusting. Look how wet it looks too. Oh, looks like uncooked chicken. Oh my god. And it's been boiling under the sun. Oh. Throw the whole cemetery away, please. Can you imagine the smell?
Evidence indicates the robberies have occurred over a period of time.
I don't know what I'm looking at, but looks weird. Roadkill. And that looks real too. Oh my god, that is so fucked up.
What smells?
Smells like ass.
What is that stench? Roll out the window. They bashed him in the head with a big sledgehammer.
Okay, we didn't need to know that.
Kill him on the first lick. And then sometimes it wouldn't kill him. I mean, they'd skin him.
Okay, Franklin.
That's horrible. Yeah. People shouldn't kill animals for food.
It goes boom and then
Franklin, I like
Can you please talk about something else?
That's terrible. It's still going on. Hitchhiker.
Should we pick him up? Oh, yeah, man. Pick him up. He'll asphyxiate out there.
What does he look like?
Are y'all crazy?
Well, just like the slaughterhouse.
Oh, give the guy a break. Oh, he's weird looking. No.
See, at least she had common sense.
Where you headed, man?
Back to hell.
Work at that place? Oh, no.
Oh, he's sick. He's sick.
Yeah.
That is not fascinating.
They make head cheese. They
Okay. Okay.
and they scrape all the flesh.
Okay, crazy. Okay.
A big jelly of fat.
Kick him off.
That's what was in that stuff. It's really good. You like it?
Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're fucking psycho, dude. Ew, and he likes it too. Why would you take it back? What the fuck is so funny? It's about to take our pictures like we're at Disneyland. You serious? And Sally thinks it's funny.
You could take me to my house and have
Exactly.
dinner with us.
No, thank you.
You like head cheese? My brother makes it real good.
No, thank you. I'm on a diet. It's okay.
Drink, Jerry.
What the fuck?
You can pay me now. Huh? $2. It's
I'm not fucking paying you. Get him off. Get him off. Woo-hoo! Woo! Ah! Ow, ow, ow. Hell no. Fuck you. After witnessing that, I would have just kept driving.
Travel difficulties. Long-range plans.
I got no gas.
Fucking liar.
Tank's empty. Got some good barbecue here. Why don't you fellas stick around here a while?
No, thank you.
Transport will be by in a little while.
Put that knife away.
I just started doing that. Do you think I said something made him mad?
Bro, let it go.
Well, what?
Frankly, you're crazier than he was.
Throw that shit out the window. Was she using it to open a can of soda? Ew, she's cutting food with it.
Hey, wait a minute.
Did he just spit on the van to clean it?
Here, man, you wash it off.
Oh my god, I love being here. It's so fun. Oh, no. Oh, I know they're harmless, but no.
I have these fascination for the zebras.
We came out here to look at a fucking room. What the fuck is so funny? I want to laugh. He has had it.
It's gonna be a fun trip.
My god. That looks evil. Nope. Oh. All the cars of their previous victims.
Hello, is anybody home?
If nobody's answering, leave. Oh my god, a tooth. And then you pick it up with your bare hand.
Let's go.
Hello?
Why you gotta be nosy?
Hello?
Oh, shit. Oh my. Well, I mean, that's what you get. Girl. Kirk is dead. That house looks like it smells like wet socks and ass. Oh! This poor chicken. Someone's foot. Girl, get up and run! Oh, that is so fucked. Ooh. Keeps them like collectibles. She gave herself away. Oh shit! Oh! That is terrifying. Oh, not the hook! Oh my god! Oh, I can feel it. Girl, it's over for you. Ew.
I even gave him your zip code. He's gonna kill you.
Jerry.
Why would you say that?
What are you doing?
I can't find my knife.
Listen, I think I'll walk down to the creek before it...
That knife is long gone. Don't even bother.
Well, there's a trail down there between them two old sheds. You don't think that guy'd try and follow us, do you?
Oh my god.
Well, I mean, there's no way that he could follow us.
You're just putting it into existence.
Sally?
What now?
She's so over his shit. He said, bitch, get back in there. Oh. That's fucking ugly, dude.
They'll probably be back in a minute or so.
Probably.
Sound like we ought to go to that gas station. We weren't here.
Ethan, give me that flashlight.
Stop.
All
Oh, remember this. I remember this. Ah.
No, push down.
This is giving me anxiety.
Stop.
Oh, shit. Oh my god. It still gets me. Fucking A. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's like literally right behind her. Girl! Why would you stop? Keep running! Push through! Oh my god, her hair's stuck. Just rip it off! You'll get a bald spot, but it's okay. You can cover it with the hat. Oh, she's going into the lion's den! Wrong house, sweetie. Wrong house. Oh! Ew. Grandpa looks rough. Oh, this is sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. I would have done the same shit. He's still up there. Keep it pushing. Fucking A. This is a literal nightmare. Come on, you can make it. Oh. No. Oh my god. Oh, he's so fucking close. Get the fuck off me. Okay, let me go. Why does he keep grabbing her like that? She has really pretty eyes. Oh my god. That's not animal, that's human. Demented ass smile. Sally.
You just cooperate. You will have no trouble. Nobody's gonna hurt you.
Fuck you. Oh! No! Oh! Oh, hell no! I would have grabbed that broom and stuck it up his ass. Come on, Sally! Sick. Ew. Who knows what he cleaned with that fucking rag? I would have tried to kill him and steal the truck. Oh my god!
Hope you're not too uncomfortable down there.
You piece of shit. Oh, he's enjoying it. Oh my god! And he's still doing it.
No, they didn't see me. They don't know nothing. I told you to stay away from that graveyard.
So he's the one that propped up those corpses like that? This family is just... God, I feel for Sally. She's going through it. I would have bit his finger.
Where are the kids? Where are
Oh my god, this is stressing me out.
Young lady, you just take it easy there now.
Don't touch me.
Fix you some supper in a few minutes, huh? Sit there.
Look at the lamp. I hope y'all fall down the stairs. Ah! Oh my. Oh. Oh god. This is sick. This is sick. Oh. What is it, like protein to him? Ew, you hear the flies? Ugh. Oh, hell no. This whole fucking house makes my skin crawl. Oh,
We were just having fun. He's just a
girl, don't even waste your breath.
Shut up, you bitch hog. You don't understand.
Fuck each other up.
I understand you ain't nothing. Me and him do all the work.
Anything.
Girl, no. Don't say that. Oh. Oh, I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. This is twisted. This is twisted. Nosferatu ain't got the energy for that. I would have scratched his face off. Oh my god. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my. Oh, Sally. Oh! Trauma. Trauma. Oh, come on, come on. Yes, come on. Woo. Yup. Yup. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Girl, keep running. Oh, hurry. Oh. Oh my god. Run his ass over. Run his ass over. Ugh. Bitch ass. Huh. He said nope. Oh my fucking god. Idiots. Why? Why? You could have drove away. Oh. Good, good. That would be me. Nope. Not getting involved. Oh. This ending is so iconic. Okay, Motherface, it was 1974's The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. What can I say? This movie is a horror masterpiece. Knowing that this movie was low budget made it 10 times scarier, I gotta say. I know a lot of people said that the sequels were trash, but honestly, I cannot wait to get to them. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time with another reaction. Bye!